Welcome to Grace Valley Farm, a 236-acre family-owned event venue nestled in Shelbyville, Tennessee. We're honored to be part of your story and can't wait to help bring your wedding vision to life. We offer several breathtaking outdoor ceremony locations. Lover's Lane, a romantic tree-lined aisle with natural wood entry and string lighting. The Secret Garden, a secluded space with stone arches, blooming florals, and rustic charm. The Cross, a lakeside ceremony spot with serene water views under a canopy of trees. Serenity Lake, where vows are exchanged on a peninsula surrounded by water. Grace Falls, our dramatic forest waterfall with 7 cascading falls and fairy tale vibe. The Enchanted Forest, a rustic 17-foot cedar A-frame surrounded by woodland wonder. And our newest ceremony site, a stunning 16-foot vine-covered tunnel and walkway surrounded by a rock garden and lit for magical evenings. Prefer indoors? We've got you covered. The White Magnolia Barn offers elegance, climate control, retractable windows, and scenic views. Grace Chapel, with vintage stained glass, is perfect for intimate ceremonies or as a charming backdrop. The Pavilion, with its stacked stone fireplace, is ideal for ceremonies, cocktail hour, or gathering with loved ones. For receptions, the barn at Grace Valley accommodates up to 299 guests with handcrafted details, buffet space, a full catering kitchen, and charming decor options. The Event Barn, perfect for up to 100 guests, offers a cozy space for showers, rehearsal dinners, or smaller celebrations, complete with twinkle lights and Bluetooth sound. Your wedding day comfort is important to us. The farmhouse, built in 1852, offers bridal prep space, full accommodations for 12 ladies, and a charming porch and balcony. The bunkhouse just next door gives the groom and groomsmen space to relax with a full kitchen, 2 baths, a big screen TV, and bunks for 10. Our honeymoon cabin offers an overnight escape with a full kitchen, king bed, and jacuzzi tub. All buildings and ceremony sites are fully handicap accessible. Your rental includes ceremony seating, custom arbors, tables, chairs, flatware, glassware, decor, lighting, sound system, and a complimentary engagement session, photographer not included. We handle all setup and teardown. We offer a 10% discount for military, a la carte or all-inclusive packages, and a preferred vendor list, though you're free to bring your own team. Elopement pricing is also available upon request. At Grace Valley Farm, we're here to take the stress off your shoulders and make your day as magical as you dream.